How to fix Instagram ad rejected. In this video, we talk about how to fix this on your Instagram. Just watch this video till the end. So now, and first go and open the settings of your phone. Then here you have to open apps option. And on apps option here, you have to search now for Instagram. Open Instagram like this and scroll down. Click now on storage and go to the last button, clear data, and click OK. And then you have to back click on force stop, click also OK. And what you should do, you have to go to your option here, permission, and you have to allow all this, phone, as you see, microphone, locations, file, and media. And after this, when you finish, go and check if your Instagram is updated, and then restart your phone.